trying to get to Busby Falls. I think it's also called Mechanics, I'm not sure. But as we're going along, we come across this weeping wall. So I wanted to show this to you. Look how wet this is. So we're trying to figure our way through here without getting our feet soaked. But isn't that cool? Alright, we found this fall here through some treacherous getting to this. But there's an awful lot of weeds here in front of it for taking pictures. And I am not sure how and if there's a way to get down to where I could get really good video and good pictures of this. So this may be it for Busby Falls, I don't know. I'll look around a little bit more, but I don't have any faith in getting this one, I gotta tell you, other than what I'm getting right now. So hopefully, I see that sun, I'm trying to block it out. There. Hopefully I can get more than this, but if not, I'll have to be satisfied with this. It is pretty. Now come over a little bit further. I just need to show you this. Look at all these rocks, okay? And look at what's growing out of it. That is a giant tree growing literally on the edge of that rock. And I'll show you. Here's a precarious place I'm in. And there's the fall back there. But looking this way, I just don't see a good way down, and even if I got down there, a good place to shoot from to get that fall. So we've come to this smaller fall. I'll show you the bridge up here that we crossed earlier. Then you have this. Then you have that. Then that final little third step right there. And out it goes. Not bad for what it is, now is it? See it, look at it rumbling up underneath there. Okay, this is our last stop for the day. This is Falls Mill. The place is closed, but we got to this anyway, so we can't get down in there. This is as far as we can go. It's just a little chain down here. That's the whole area right there, and right here behind us, I've got a little seating area and picnic, and we're parked over across the road, and that's part of the museum. Is what that building is, and more seating there. So this falls mill, this is the best I can get of it. So I'll get my other camera equipment and we'll call this video done. Hope you enjoyed this whole thing, okay? See you on the next one. Bye now.